Alright, everybody, this is for my pal Jubjub. No matter what he pulls, he's going to sell it on Check On My Cards for $1. $1! Jubjub's Check On My Cards? What? Alright, buddy, good luck. Buster Posey and Giancarlo Stanton are pretty much your best hits. There's some other good guys. Pete Rose, Eric Hosmer, Joshua Fields. Joshua Fields, $1. Check out my cards. Bang! DJ Mitchell for the Yankees. DJ Mitchell, that's out of 20. 10 of 20 on the DJ Mitchell. Uh-oh, Zach Putnam. Zach Putnam for the Indians. Alright, you ain't hit crap yet. Come on, man. Come on. Come on, Jub. Pull this out. David Cooper. At least I recognize a couple of these names anyway. David Cooper for Toronto. Alright, last pack to really hit somebody worth naming the video after. Good old Coop! Pull you a Ranger? What do I look like? Why would I pull you a Ranger? You're just gonna sell it on eBay anyway. Oh, that one's pretty good. Dan Hudson auto. It says White Sox, but he's been on like 7 teams since then. Good old Dan Hudson. Come on. Alright, Jub, that wasn't the best box. You should have picked 1 or 3, pal. But still, DJ Mitchell for the Yankees. I recognize his name. David Cooper, recognize his name. Dan Hudson, he's a beast. Good hit. Zach Putnam, recognize his name. And Joshua Fields, recognize his name. So. At least I recognized all the guys you hit. Alright, bud. Mediocre box.